Big up 876 Streets every time. Wilmot here from Will Motorsports. We came out today to do some testing. I did a little bit of lightning on the car. I came last month. I was doing 136 on 16-inch wheels. Street tires, of course. I'm here today testing again, doing 135. Took off a second, and that's street tires. So we're looking to do about 131, 132 with race tires on race day. Still a work in progress. Still getting used to the car. It's a new car. So we're just trying to get it right and come out for race day, April 2nd. It's going to be awesome. I see new cars coming out. Big up Will Motorsports. Look out for Team Racing Syndicate. Will Motorsports presents Team Racing Syndicate. 3 cars, CRX, EF and EK. Come out and support 876 Streets. Big up.
them going fast. So then by the time everybody's trying to pass, so already way up here. Yeah, but they can still pass. What do you want to talk? Hold on, hear me out. No, I'm not talking about because there was Ghetto Greg, right? By the time when Ghetto by the time the first up was hard because the second person I was way up in the breaking. Right, that's what it is. But the second and third lap. By the time, okay, who have the black? You have the black corner. You never get to pass Ghetto Greg. I know I passed him way down. Yeah, but he didn't get a shot. I mean, you know what? At one point, because I didn't know he was still. I was supposed to buy around you. So we pull up. I used to have a speed up, so everybody can run. Yeah, because you should have speed up. Man in lead. Man in lead. Half a driver to get everybody. But therefore, when in second place, he's not supposed to run him down. So from your reach here, from your reach up here and holding the stretch, when the first place start move, you don't follow him. You maintain him. There's a reason. There's a reason I come over the hill slowly, you know, and then accelerate up here. It wasn't everybody. I want the second place. So everybody, right? And exactly. Because anybody who second place supposed to get past.
Second place must speed up. But what you should do, being in front of me and me watch, because one time I said, beg you, make me pass you. What you should do? No, what you should do? No, hold on. What you should do? I never want to break the rule.